I'm redesigning Webon's logo, but only using Canva. Can I make it better? Let's find out.
CANVOO.
This redesign is inspired by Webon's channel. All credits to them for the original logo. Today, we're going to redesign Webon's logo, but only using Canva. Let's see how far we can go. According to Webon, the name comes from two syllables, web and on, symbolizing a power button. So our goal is to create a logo shaped like the letter W, designed as a power button. First, go to the Elements menu and choose a circle. Resize it to 155 by 155 pixels, and zoom in on the canvas to make it easier to work. Now, change its color to coral red. Next, duplicate the circle. Change this one to white and resize it to 104 by 104 pixels. Place it right in the center of the red circle. Make sure it's perfectly aligned. Now, go back to Elements and select a square. Change the color to white and set the width to match the circle. For the height, set it to 50 pixels. Duplicate this square twice. For this one, set the width to 38 pixels and place it at the top of the circle to trim the upper part. Change this top square to coral red. Then place it above the previous square. And make sure everything stays symmetrical. Now we've built the power button shape. Next, let's turn it into a W. From the Elements menu, choose a triangle. Resize it to 66 by 58 pixels and position it just like this. Duplicate the triangle, change its color to white, and move it down to cut the bottom part of the circle. Adjust the sides to keep them even. And that's it. The main shape is ready. Now, let's add the text. Just like the original, we'll write Web Tutorial. Here, I'm using the Kelpt font. Resize and position it until it looks well balanced with the logo mark. If everything looks good, group all the elements together. And here's our final logo. You can easily rearrange the logo and text for different brand layouts, or even place it on mockups. That's all for today's redesign tutorial. If you found this helpful, please give it a like. Leave your logo requests in the comments and subscribe to stay updated with more Canva logo tutorials from CANVOO.